Job fraud. Is your job offer fake or real? The rapid growth of information and communication technology has completely changed the way of job search. Nowadays, all our employment search begins online, and this gives an opportunity to cybercriminals to trick us into scams. Job frauds are a sophisticated fraud, offering fictitious job opportunities to job seekers. This type of fraud is normally done through online services such as bogus websites or through unsolicited emails claiming to be from known companies or brands. It has become difficult to determine whether a job offer is legitimate or fake. You can always stay one step ahead of fraudsters and find a legitimate job by following below given tips from Ministry of Home Affairs. Avoid opportunities on search engine advertisements. Always search and apply for jobs posted on authentic job portals or newspapers. Do not apply for jobs posted on search engine ads, social media advertisements, or labeled sponsored links or results. Check privacy policy of job sites. And before registering on any job search portal, check the privacy policy of the website to know the type of information collected from the user and how it will be processed by the website. Do research. Always try to check the company's website if you have found a job opportunity on any other website to check the authenticity of the job and know more about the profile. Very often, companies put their manpower requirements on their official website under the careers section. Don't respond to unsolicited emails. Always keep a note of where you've applied for the job. Do not respond to any generic emails from an unknown company, as it could be a scam. Check for emails from proper domain names representing the organizations for which you are applying. Almost every company which requires candidates has their own domain name-based email ID. Fake government jobs. Always check the website of the government organizations for details about the job openings in a government department. All government websites have gov.in or nic.in as part of their website address. All government organizations always advertise vacancies in the leading newspapers and employment news. Check for spelling mistakes. Always look for the spelling errors in the email address and job descriptions. If an email has spelling, grammatical, and punctuation errors, it could be a scam. The email address looks similar to the actual company. Use verified job portals. These days, many job portals offer paid services for resume writing, resume promotion, and job alerts. Before paying to these portals, check authenticity and reviews of the website. Consult your family and friends to know about reliable websites. Never pay for a job. Beware of the emails which offer jobs in exchange for money, as such emails are spam. No organization company ever asks for money to work for them. Online interview. These days, many organizations conduct interviews through telephone, chat services, Skype calls, or Google Hangouts. Always do proper research about the organization and its representative before the online interview. Make sure to ask detailed questions related to the job and the organization from the interviewer. An initiative of Government of India to facilitate victims, complainants to report all types of cybercrime complaints online. Complaints reported National Cybercrime Reporting Portal are dealt by respective police authorities of states, or it's based on the information provided by the complainants. Issued in public interest by FDI Labs Classroom.